Hello my dear students, today we will start our next lesson, lesson number 6. The name of lesson is Clothes We Wear. Let's warm up. Complete the names of clothes shown here. Class, in front of you, some pictures are given. We have to identify these pictures and complete their names. Number 1, yes, socks. Spelling is S-O-C-K-S, socks. Number next, frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. Next is pant. P-E-N-T, pant. Next is shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. And last is sari. S-A-R-I. Read on. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. They keep us warm when it is cold. When it rains, the clothes we wear get wet. So, we wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella to keep ourselves dry. Clothes protect us from dirt and dust. They make us look smart. We wear different types of clothes. Now, I am explaining these lines. Listen carefully. We all wear clothes. We need clothes to cover and protect our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind. They protect us from also insects bite also. Okay, we should always wear neat and clean clothes. They keep us healthy and we look smart. We wear clothes according to different seasons. We wear different kind of clothes for different seasons. We do not wear same types of clothes in different seasons. Clothes are made of different material for different seasons. We wear different clothes, different types of clothes like suits, saris, skirt, t-shirt, coat, kurta pajama, shorts, underwear and waist. Now our next topic is clothes and seasons. First of all, in summers. In summers, when the weather is hot, we wear clothes made of cotton. They keep us cool. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, now I will explain these lines. Listen carefully. As you all know, that is very hot in summer. So we wear light colored cotton clothes. These clothes keep us cool and also absorb sweat so that we feel comfortable. It means cotton clothes are very comfortable in summer. Cotton clothes are best in summer because they light and they let the air in. That's why we feel cool and comfortable. Now I shall tell you how to make clothes from cotton plant. First of all, we collect cotton flower balls from the cotton plant. Then these cotton flower balls go to the factories. In factories, the machines separate fiber from the cotton balls. Now with the help of machine, This cotton fiber changes into cotton yarn. Now, with the help of machines, this yarn changes into fabric, which then changes into different types of clothes like sari, suit, frock, shirts, pants, skirt, and so many other clothes. Now, our next topic is in winter. In winters, the weather is cold. We wear clothes made of wool. They keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. Now, listen carefully. I will explain. It is very cold. So, during winter, we wear woolen clothes to stay warm. When we wear woolen clothes, we feel warm. We wear warm clothes like jacket, sweater, caps, socks, gloves, and so many others. Now, I shall tell you how we get wool from the sheep. The sheep's wool is a special kind of fur which is curly. Sheep's wool is removed by shearing, which is like a haircut. The fur is collected, which is then washed and dried. Then it is changed into yarn. Now, this yarn ready to prepare different type of woolen clothes like sweaters, caps, jackets, socks, and so many. Now, we do not want to get wet in rain, so we wear a raincoat. Sometimes we use an umbrella also. Raincoats and umbrellas are made of waterproof material. Listen. Raincoats and umbrellas protect us from getting wet. It rains heavily during rainy season, so we should wear raincoat. We wear raincoat above our clothes. They prevent our clothes and body from getting wet when it rains. If we get wet in the rain, we might fall sick. So we should wear raincoat or use umbrella in rainy season. When we step out our house, so many people wear gumboot to keep their feet dry. Now, listen. Class 1 fact, listen carefully. Fibers that we get from plant and animals are called natural fiber. So, class cotton fiber and woolen fiber. Okay, they are the natural fibers because we get from the plant and animals. Okay, now our next topic is uniform. People wear special clothes at their place of work. These special clothes are called uniforms. Children go to school wearing uniforms. The uniform for each school is different. Now listen. Can you tell me why do you wear uniform? Yes, students. You wear your school uniform when you go to school. Okay. But you do not wear them at home. Whenever you back from your school, you change your school uniform. Okay, now in this picture, pilot, who flies the who fly wear uniform, postman wearing uniform, nurse who looks after the sick person also wear the uniform, doctor also wear the uniform, postman and policeman, soldier, sailor, all of them wear a uniform. Now our next topic is clothes on special occasions. We wear colorful clothes when we go for parties and weddings. Yes, when we go for parties and weddings, we wear colorful and fancy clothes. These clothes are bright in color and very attractive. Yes. Number next, we wear casual clothes in the evening while playing. In the evening time, when we are going outside for playing, we wear casual clothes. Casual clothes are easy to wear and too much comfortable. Normally, in day-to-day life, we wear casual clothes. Or in easy word, daily wear clothes are called casual wears. Okay, like boys wear lower t-shirts and girls wear shorts and t-shirts. Next point, we wear night suit when we go to bed. When we go to bed, we wear our night suit or nightwear. These clothes are very comfortable. Our next point, taking care of clothes. We should be kept at their proper place. Means after use we have to keep our clothes at their proper place in neat and tidy way. Okay. Number next, woolen clothes should be kept in sunlight for some time to kill the germs, because to keep them clean. Okay. Yes, that's why we have to keep our woolen clothes in sunlight. Next, party clothes should not be washed at home. Okay, party clothes should not be washed at home. They should be sent for dry cleaning. Sometimes party clothes very fancy, and these fancy ones are not washable. That's why they should be sent for the dry cleaning. Next, life skill. Always wear clean and comfortable clothes. Okay, students? Now, exercise time. Exercise 1. Pick the correct option. Number 1. We wear woolen clothes in option A, summers, option B, winter. Yes, now tell me what is the answer? B, yes, winter. Number 2. We get cotton from option A, silkworm, option B, cotton plant. Answer is B, cotton plant. Number 3. In winters, the weather is option A, cold, option B, hot. Answer is option A, cold. Number 4. We wear colorful clothes. Option A, at parties. Number B, at night while sleeping. Answer is A, at parties. Now, we will repeat once again. Tick the correct options. We wear woolen clothes in option A summers, B winters. Answer B winters. We get cotton from silk. Option A silkworm, B cotton plant. Answer is B cotton plant. In winters, the weather is option A cold, option B hot. Answer is cold. Number 4, we wear colorful clothes. A at parties, B at night while sleeping. Answer is at parties. Now our next exercise, cross the odd one out. Listen carefully. Cross the odd one out. Class, in this question, each row is having 3 different clothes. 2 are same but one is different. Means 2 clothes are wearing same season but one is different season. Okay, we have to cut the different one. In summers, in first frock, number 2 skirt, and next is muffler. So skirt, frock and skirt wear in summers, but muffler is used in winter. So we will cut muffler. Number next 2 is winter season. First picture is sweater, next is coat, and next is t-shirt. So in this line, sweater and coat is we wear in winter season, but t-shirt wear in summer season. So t-shirt we will cross. Number 3, rainy season. First picture is gumboot, next is gloves, next is raincoat. So in this picture, gumboot and raincoat we will use in rainy season, but gloves we will use in winter. So in this picture we will cross the gloves. Our next exercise is make a happy face for the correct statement and sad face for the incorrect statement. Okay. Number 1, we should wear dirty clothes. So tell me, this is the right statement or wrong statement? Yes, this is a wrong statement. So we will make a sad face. Number 2, woolen clothes should be kept in sunlight for some time to kill the germs. This is a correct statement. So we will make a happy face or smiley face. Number 3, a raincoat is made up of waterproof material. Yes. Again, this is a correct statement. So we will make a happy face for this statement, or we will make a smile for given face. Number 4, cotton clothes keep us cool. Yes, this is statement also true or correct. So we will make a happy face. Our next exercise, answer the following questions. Number 1, why do we wear woolen clothes in winters? Once again, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Answer is because they keep us warm. Because they keep us warm. Number 2, where do we get wool from? Where do we get wool from? Answer is sheep. Okay, answer is sheep. Number 3, write one way to taking care of our clothes. Question once again, write one way of taking care of our clothes. Answer is clothes should be kept at their proper place. Once again, clothes should be kept at their proper place or places. Number next is, what is a uniform? Question once again, what is a uniform? Answer is, people wear special clothes at their place of work. These special clothes are called uniforms. Once again, people wear special clothes at their place of work. These special clothes are called uniforms. Our next exercise, draw or paste a picture of. Class, in front of you 2 columns are there. In first column you will draw or paste your winter uniform, and in next column you will paste or draw your summer uniform. Okay? Yes. Thank you, students.